Hi everyone and welcome back to the complete Italian course Learning Italian for Beginners. It's me Graziano and alongside with Erika here with me today, we are going to present you with this video the teaching approach and we are going to present you the outline of this entire course. So basically what you are going to attend, what you're going to face once you have purchased this course. So after this welcome, let's start with the teaching approach. The teaching approach is structured in three main areas or three main approaches. The first one is through dialogues with translations lectures. Basically, this type of lectures are lectures where we have listed several dialogues from English and translated into Italian about daily basis situations. So situations that you might encounter once you will be in Italy or that you face on a daily basis once you speak in English. The main approach or idea behind this type of lectures is that basically you are going to learn how Italian sentences are constructed, how you can translate an English sentence to Italian, how you can manipulate them, the Italian sentences, obviously, and as well as basically I have explained and we have explained how each word can be translated from English to Italian or vice versa. So through these lectures, you will learn the main important sentences that you might use once you will be in Italy, as well as how to manipulate and to work on sentences, on Italian sentences. Then, for each dialogue-based lecture, we have the nomenclature lectures. In the nomenclature lectures, we have listed the most important words that you will use in order to manipulate, create new sentences related to the previous one lecture, which is about one specific topic. In particular, we can define this type of lectures, the nomenclature ones, obviously, as a vocabulary lecture, where basically I'm going to read the English one, translating it in Italian, and I'm going to repeat the Italian word several times very slowly in order that you can work on the pronunciation, and for each lecture you will master the correct Italian pronunciation of each word. Then we have the exercises. Each lecture will be, for each lecture we have provided, and in particular Erika has covered the exercises part of this entire course. We have decided to provide you several exercises for each lecture, for each topic, as well as at the end of the course we have created, and Erika has created, a small mini book about exercises with solutions. Moreover, during the course, the solutions are explained by me, and so you will work on the exercises and the solutions are explained in the same lecture. I hope that everything is clear, and that's why we are moving now on the outline and what we are going to cover on this course. The course is structured in several modules. In particular, there are 8 of them. The first one is the introduction and grammar basics, where basically we are going to cover the grammar basics after these introductions that you have already watched at this stage. And in particular, we're going to cover singular and plural, articles, and pronouns. Then the second module is about numbers. Numbers from 0 to 100. You're going to learn how to construct, how to manipulate numbers, how to read them correctly, and how to pronounce them correctly in Italian. The third module is about verbs. In particular, we have covered the main verbs, the verb to be and the verb to have. So basically, you're going to learn how to work on them and how to create sentences using the verb to be and verb to have. Then we have the first module, which is about traveling. So at this stage, we start with the dialogue-based and the nomenclature lectures. We start with public transport, then we have the nomenclature about public transport, then we have add the customs and the nomenclature too. The fifth module is about on holiday, where we are going to cover, and we are going to cover all together the at hotel dialogues, the nomenclature of at the hotel, at the restaurant dialogues, where basically you are going to master all the main sentences while you will be at the restaurant, probably the most important one while you will be in Italy. Then there will be still on the fifth module, we have at the supermarket and at the bar lectures. The sixth module is about services and emergency. We have decided to include this type of lecture because probably if you will need help and you will be with some people that does not speak English, you need to speak in Italian to them. So we have covered at the doctor and the hospital as topic. Then we have the at the pharmacy and at the police station. Moving forward, we have the seventh module, which is about social relations, and in particular, greetings and polite conversation. In this lecture, you are going to learn the main sentences and words about the greetings and about social relations. The eighth module and the last one is about exercises with solutions. Obviously, as already said, exercises are provided in each lecture as well as in the eighth module, where we have created this small mini book I have mentioned with the solutions. At the end of this course, we have decided to give you, to whom has decided to purchase this course, a bonus section. This bonus section is a section where you will basically find any type of coupons about our courses that we are going to create in the future about Italian and about any other topics that we master and that we want to decide to bring to you. So at this stage, I again thank you for your attention, and I hope that you will join us on this journey and you will not regret it once you have joined this course. Thank you again.